Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kushal26, and today we'll be playing Payback. As you all know, if you like my videos, like, share and subscribe my videos. Yeah, as you know, we'll be playing Payback and we'll complete the story, and next we'll go to camping. Yeah, today we'll be playing the game called Remote Control. The math is as equal for going for gold. Yeah, now let's get started, friends. If you enjoy my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you think I am wrong in any angle, then you can comment.
A rival Reimer's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in Olga's place this time.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof.
You can see the
Now,
helicopter
wait
here.
for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions.
Yeah, now let's go to the phones.
There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
I'll be keeping the helicopter over there, friends, as we need it till the end of the level.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up.
Now I'm a taxi wala, friends.
Okay, now wait for the boss' wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
I think this is really not good.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Ah, nice one. Here's your payment.
I think this boss
Head
is
towards
very
the
good.
payphone for another assignment.
This is my car now.
So fast, friends. Let's back to the phones. Comment in the comment section that how do I
The
drive,
rival
friends.
crime lord has given in to our ransom demand. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up.
Let's take this blue golden car.
Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city. Make it straight. Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Go back to the phones if you want more missions.
Well, friends, the level is not completed. This car is very slow. One of this car.
A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a shipment hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you only got
This car is so
75 seconds to do it.
slow.
Think of it as a test. Good gemacht.
And then
Here's your
level is
money.
completed,
But keep an eye
friends.
out for the
So
cops.
let's
Okay, get your lazy arms back to the phones for more missions.
I'll go to the safe place. So friends, if you like my video, and if you want for the interesting video, if you want me to put interesting video, and you should subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And if you think I'm missing anything, so you can comment in the comment section. Till then, bye bye friends.